Stop by and take a look at the 2021 LX 570. The Lexus LX 570 is a destination in itself. This luxury SUV is where fortress meets sanctuary, with its 5.7-liter V8 engine churning out an impressive 403 pounds of torque and an interior that puts comfort and convenience first. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: driver adjustable suspension, height, driver adjustable suspension, ride control, power windows with safety reverse, headlight cleaners, emergency braking preparation, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.